Okay, 0 to 100 launch, traction controlled off, left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. When I rev the motor, the tire starts spinning, so yeah, it's spinning. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, again a long gap. I didn't mean to put this long gap, but I was caught up with some family work and I didn't have time for YouTube. So yeah, anyways, what is today's video about? I had given you my Cruise's driving reaction when I installed Dieseltronic and all that, and you guys had liked it, and I think the link to that is here. Today it's my BMW's turn, so I have not yet showed you why I fell in love with the car, what is the performance. So getting straight to that. Also, I got a new GoPro Hero 9, so I think my footages will be from that, from here, POV, and other footages, Pranalika, my wife, will be shooting it sitting next to me. So there's a 0 to 100 also of this car, so watch this video till the end to watch that. Bye bye. Welcome back, guys. I hope you like this perspective. So me and this monkey are going on a drive.
You have a stiff neck.
Okay, so I'm supposed to have a stiff neck and I'm supposed to keep it like this and not turn like this to show her face. So yeah. Oops, hadn't told mom. Monday or drive both, Baba. So if you haven't watched the drift video, guys, it's not the drift or anything. It was me trying donuts for the first time. I'm going to put it on the screen right now. So what you can see here is I'm trying to do a donut. I had never experienced it, so me and Pranalika sitting there and we did it, and it was really fun. But always I tend to forget something or the other. I forgot to put the car in sport mode or in manual second gear. I did it in normal mode, so that's why the car didn't do the second round. And even in my 0 to 100 that you will see later on, I have kept the car in normal mode and I've done this thing, the run, because I forgot about it. And this was done during my trip back from Ooty, so it's not done today or anything, so that I can do it again. So yeah, mind you. So why I like this car, you have watched me drive the Cruise and you have watched me my expressions, so you can see right now the car, the way it will pull. I'll show you. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna do some pulls right now. When the turbo kicks, the car just flies, guys. So as you guys can see, when I just give 10% of the throttle, the car goes smooth, in a smooth fashion, and the gear shifts are minimum. But when I punch the throttle, it just pushes me back to the seat, and the way it pulls, oh my god, it's kind of scary at times, you know. Oh my god, unbelievably fast. Can't tell you the way you can. I don't know if you can see it with my thing. I'm just pushed back to the seat, and the performance is amazing. You can see here, Pranalika is shooting with my other cam. I think you could have noticed, like it reaches 80 or 100 so fast that you got to be very careful and your eyes have to be planted on the road. There's no getting your eyes off the road because the speeds are crazy. And guys, mind you, this is in normal mode, not even sports mode. Now let me tell you the difference between sport mode and normal mode that I have specially observed. That in normal mode, the gear shift at 4000 rpm, and in sport mode the gear shifts at around 4800 rpm. So the car is just crazy in sports mode, and I think the turbo lag is also contained. So now I'm going to do a small pull to the gate there. So as you can see, I'm going to go sport mode now. So this is sport mode. If you can see this, it says DS, it's sport mode, and let's go. Holy f. Okay. I didn't do a launch, I didn't hold the brake or anything, I just normally floored the accelerator, and the performance is insane, guys. We'll just get pushed back to the seat. I can't tell you. I'll roll the clip of the 0 to 100 right now. Okay, 0 to 100 launch. Traction controlled off. Left foot on the brake, right foot on the accelerator. When I rev the motor, the tire starts spinning. So yeah, it's spinning. So as you guys saw, the 0 to 100, it's not a proper test because I was coming back from Ooty, as I said, and I had a lot of luggage in the car. The car was full. Me and Pranalika were sitting, and then there was a lot of luggage, and I did a very funny and stupid thing, guys. I've not mentioned it in the Ooty trip. I'll mention it now. So this car, BMW 3 Series 320D, does not come with a spare wheel. So when you buy it from the showroom, you got to buy a spare wheel separately with the toolkit and all that. So I was going to Ooty and I needed a spare wheel because if there is any punches, this doesn't have a run flat, as I've told you guys previously. So I decided to take the spare wheel off my Octavia, Skoda Octavia, because Skoda, Audi, Volkswagen and all these cars, actually I think even Bentley, I'm not sure, all have 112 PCD wheels. So I thought that you know, the Octavia's wheels will fit this BMW, and without checking or anything, with confidence, I just took it. Even Mercedes is the same. So I took the wheel. So I had a full size spare in my boot, and I had our luggage. So the 0 to 100 in a normal mode, not in sport mode, was somewhere around 8 point something second. So in sport mode with minimum luggage, I'm pretty sure it will be much faster. So yeah, that is one thing. Now coming to the wheel PCD of this car, it's actually 120. So by God's grace, the tires didn't get punctured. If it had got punctured, I would have gotten stuck with a wheel that does not fit the hub, and I'd be in the road. So right now I've already purchased a spare wheel for this car, and I've also purchased a jack. I will show you, I will do a review on that in the next video because it's quite special, and I feel that most of you can buy it, and it's a really good purchase. Other than that, one more thing I've purchased for this car is this Carly's scanner. I got it all the way from Germany, so I got it imported, and it costed me around 11k including import tax. It came around 6 to 7 days, guys. Not even 6 to 7, I guess. I think around 5 days. The shipping was really fast. And why did I buy this? To see all the fault codes in the car, and to see if anything is wrong or in the car. One is that, and second thing, I wanted to coat the car. Like when I locked the car, I wanted the mirrors to fold. That is one, and I wanted the day running lights all the time, that the angels to run all the time. So all that is only possible when you coat the car. The next video will be about this Carly adapter, as well as my spare wheel and the jack that I've purchased for it. Another thing I purchased that came yesterday is this cute air freshener. I don't know the company and all. I'll leave the link to it and the Amazon link to it. I just find it really cute. Even Pranalika felt it was really cute. It is aqua scent. This is the first day it's in the car. I don't know about the smell. Let it sit here for some time. I'll let you know. But I think it looks really cute in the car. So yeah, 10 on 10 for its looks. So that's it, guys, ending this video. Thank you for watching. Again, really sorry for the long gap. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. There's also very special content coming this month end because I'm traveling, and my travel videos, I don't know if you guys like it. You can see the vacation playlist somewhere on the screen, I guess, or on top. So yeah, see you guys. Bye bye.